What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use LED keyboard on your Redmi 13. So first of all, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for LED keyboard. Now install this LED keyboard app and then tap on open. And then in this app tap on this arrow, and after that tap on continue on the top right corner. Now give permissions and then tap on this add button and then tap on activate LED keyboard. Now here tap on step 1 and from here turn on the LED keyboard, and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and then tap on step 2 and from here select LED keyboard. Now whenever you will open your app in which you can use keyboard, the keyboard will be displayed as the LED keyboard. So that's how you can use LED keyboard on your Redmi 13. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.